Then accounting one is a software and accountant. I will share an example of
What can I help you?
is this wait for the bus?
I don't know. It's too late. What will you say?
Oh no, where shall I go then?
You have to take a boat goes to Singapore and to take another boat to London.
When will the bus arrive?
The bus for Singapore will come
I can wait for the meeting again.
You can see my securely and tomorrow.
Oh, there is a school here. I didn't see it.
Yes, it's very cheap.
Okay, thank you so much for your help. Or don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.